Okay everyone, so another little nice video. I'm replacing this magnetron on my on my Whirlpool microwave. So I ordered a new part, but the part I ordered is not apparently the same. So the new part I got is a different part number. So this is the old one, this is the new one. And it turns out that the old one has this little piece here. That's the only difference. The new one doesn't have that piece here. But what I learned online is that most of these magnetrons are the same. They're very similar. So you could swap them out. And what I have to do in order for this different part number to become the same as this one is pretty much take out this little piece. Let me try to show you. Okay, so I have to take out this little piece and put it on the new magnetron. I feel like I'm in a Transformer movie. And I didn't know, like they don't say this anywhere on YouTube for some reason, or anywhere on internet for that matter, at least that I found. This one is the opposite way. Oh, what's going on here? Why don't you want to come off? There you go. Okay, so we take it off like so. I hope you're seeing this. I'm not gonna check. Okay, and we put it on the new one on the same exact spot. Why nobody's saying this, I have no idea. I guess we'll see when I install it on the microwave. But that's pretty much it. Like, even though they're different part numbers, you should be able to swap them out with this little neat trick. Boom, baby. Boom. That's kind of hard. I'm swapping out magnetrons. There's more that meets the eye. Boom, baby. Now, the new magnetron became the old magnetron, even though they are different part numbers. Check it out. How crazy is that? Part number 2M226 suddenly became 2M246 by swapping out this little piece on the back. Alright, I hope this helps in any way. Thank you for checking in. And again, this is my Whirlpool microwave which stopped heating. So I needed to replace the microwave. Take care and happy fixing.